Hello, my name is Henry. Today I will show you the apartment where it was like rented, with my wife and my two children. This apartment is big, small. Its house and car tag is cool. The room is the largest place. There is the computer where I studied. This apartment has two small rooms. The first room I shared with my wife. There is this TV. In the second room, there is cabin and with the children. The children sleep. The kitchen is not finished and there is not much ventilation. This is the bathroom like escaped and finished. Finally is the patio. This is also a little winter and the afternoon is very cool.